Today we will prepare a natural fungicide with you. It will protect your plants from fungal diseases and preserve your harvest. It is important to take measures in time, because if you are late, the disease can spread and you can lose the crop. We will show you 2 different recipes. One is made with just one product, and the other consists of a mixture of 3 simple and useful products. Fungal diseases, especially powdery mildew and late blight, cause serious damage to tomatoes, cucumbers, and many other vegetables. Using organic fungicides is a safe and environmentally friendly way to control these diseases. Unlike chemical agents, natural agents are not harmful to human health and the environment. Regular spraying helps prevent the spread of diseases and maintain plant health throughout the growing season. First recipe: 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 300 milliliters warm water. Garlic contains natural antimicrobial substances, especially allicin, which fights fungi. Spraying the mixture on the leaves helps prevent the development of fungus. Add the following to the second recipe: 100 milliliters milk, the beneficial bacteria and proteins in milk strengthen the plant's immunity. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Soda makes the surface of the leaves alkaline, which is an unfavorable environment for fungi. Mix everything with 2 liters of water and continue spraying every few days after rain. By regularly applying these mixtures, you can protect your plants in a natural way. Share with your friends and subscribe to our page for more useful tips. Get closer to nature. Your harvest will thank you.